This is the Tesla Model 3, and as in many other Tesla cars, you can have some fun with this vehicle. One of the fun things is the light show, and you can access the light show in the toy box. So you can have the toy box here if you used it, but I will show you how to access it even if you don't have it in this panel. So press this button first. This is the app launcher, and now you have toy box here. Go to toy box, and in this toy box you have different things. One of the things is the light show. So Tesla changes its light shows according to the holidays, the time of year, the whatever. So they have this updates with new light shows available, and you can schedule the live show to the time of the day when it's dark. Now it's sunny outside, so it will not show me any light show. And if I park in a parking in an underground parking, for example, now I can use the light show, or I can schedule it to a certain time in the evening. And once you launch the light show, it will tell you go out of the car and enjoy. So you just go out and it will start the light show for you